Welcome guys, today I want to produce this teaching today on root mean square value. Root mean square is defined according to a number of ways. So let's say if a function of ft is defined on the interval of a is less than or equals to t, which is less than or equals to b, the mean square value is then given by 1 over b minus a integral from a to b function of f of t squared dt. So the RMS value is the square root of the mean square value. So for this reason, the root mean square value is square root of 1 over b minus a, the difference of the range, integral from a to b function of t squared dt, and that is also the function of the when you evaluate all those, you will get the value of the RMS. To obtain the RMS of a given function, the function must always be squared. For example, when you have a function, you must always square it in a different angle. Let's say we are given an example of a given function. Let's solve this one. We have obtain the RMS for the function f of t is equals to t squared. So, and the range is given as t is equals to 1 and t is equals to 3. So this one is 2, that one. So the range is between t1 and t2, which is 1 to 3. So when we have this one, let's have the solution. We know the formula of finding RMS. RMS is given by is equals to the square root of the range, which is 1 over b minus a, integral of from a to b, then we have the function f of t squared dt. Okay, so when we have this one, we can now solve the problem herein. So b minus a is that one. So for us to find RMS is equals to square root of 1 over 3 minus 1, range from 1 to 3, function of f of t, which is in this case we say it is t squared, then we square it, then we find its dt. So we want to integrate this thing in terms of dt. When we integrate the function of this one, we get the RMS as 1. We integrate, which is this one, the 1 over 2. We integrate it. When you integrate the function inside here, we'll have 1 over 5 t raised to power 5. Then we give it from since it is we'll have the power 3 on the other side. When you integrate 3 to 1, so you increase the power by 1 and you divide by the new power. Okay, that is integration. So the range is 3 to 1. So we'll have the final thing as square root of a half in brackets 1 over 5 t squared t raised to power 5, which is in this case is in bracket, we can say our t for the first nini is 3. So when we say 1 over 5 into t raised to power 5, which is 3 raised to power 5, minus 1 over 5, which is also, when you look at the function of this one, 1 is this one, then we'll have the final answer as square root of 121 divided by 5, because when you look at 3 raised to power 5, it is 243, divided by 5 minus 1 over 5, then in bracket a half. So when you solve all these things, you'll get square root of 121 over 5. So square root of 121 is 11 over square root of 5. When you punch your calculator, you'll get the final answer as 4.919. That is in terms of the 4 significant figures. And this is our final answer, which is the root mean square value for the equation above, which is equals to 4.919.